Need to hold up my arm, huh?
Hello, Miss Kitten. I love you.
What about you? Where are you going?
Here comes Sam.
Over there. Marty's over there.
Come down.
You better come back.
Well, that's Little Mermaid. Sorry. Hello. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Give me a kiss. Thank you. Hey. Hello. Is that true? Let me get a picture, everybody. Hello. Ow. Ow. What are you doing, Sam? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. It's the belly. Uh-oh. There's the belly. I love that belly. I do. This is the life of owning birds. Sam, which is here, is jealous because Elliot is in his spot. Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Sky. Peekaboo. I love you. Yeah, hello. I love you. Hi, Sam. Hi. Hi. The joy.
Give me a kiss.
The joy. Hello, Sam.
Give me a kiss.
Hello, Sam. I love you. Hello, Elliot. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Hello. Hi, Sky. Oh. Really, Sky? Tell him. Yeah, tell him to slow down, huh? You say slow down. Hi, Sky. Sure. They're an eagle. Are you an eagle? Are you an eagle, Sky? Sam. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. Oh, that's Elliot. Sam, you must have left my head. Baby. Hi, you. Oh, Mary. I know. He's in your spot. That's how all them birds get along. Yeah, they all get along. I know. Thank you. Elliot. 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 Where's Elliot? Say peekaboo, Sam. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. I just love it. Oh. I know, I love you. You're trying, I know. What you doing? That's my glasses. I know. You tell him. You talk it out. Yeah, you talk it out. They don't know your language. Hello, Sky. Hello. This is every time I come in the room. Every time. I get so much love. I know. Love, 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 love. Say love, love, love. Say love, love, love.